Hello and welcome to the first part in our 3-video series on how to set up multi-factor authentication, or MFA, to log into the Imperial CitySmarti hosted system for the first time. To log into the CitySmarti Citrix portal in order to access your 360 or 360 on the web system, instead of having one authentication method, multi-factor authentication method means that you have more than one. So in this case, for example, as you can see on the screen, we have to enter a username and a password as normal. But in addition to that, we also have to enter a 6-digit passcode as well as the normal password. This video series is in 3 videos. The first one, step 1, is the introduction video, which is this video. Step 2 will be how to install an authenticator add-on into your web browser. This add-on will then generate the 6-digit passcode that you need to log into the Imperial CitySmarti Citrix portal. And video 3 will be how to use the authenticator add-on to log into CitySmarti for the first time. Now, because there are different web browsers that people may be using, for video 2 I've done things slightly differently. So video 1 is the introduction. Video 2 is separated out into separate videos depending on which web browser that you have currently installed. The method for installation of the Google Authenticator add-on is slightly different depending on which browser you use. So for example, if you're using Microsoft Edge, the method for installing the Authenticator add-on will be slightly different from if you're running, for example, Google Chrome. So after watching this video, you need to only watch the second video that corresponds to your web browser. So for example, the 2A video is only for Microsoft Edge, the 2B is only for Google Chrome, 2C is only for Opera, 2D is for Mozilla Firefox, and so on. So what you need to do is find the video that corresponds to your web browser and watch that video only, and then move on to video 3, which is the same again for everybody, which is how to log into CitySmarti for the first time. So to give a quick demo then, this is the CitySmarti login page, and you can see that you have to enter your username, password and passcode. So the username will be based on your actual name. You'll be given this via either support or your Imperial project manager at the beginning of the project when you're moved into the new CitySmarti environment. You'll also be given a password, which I'll show you and explain in video 2. And then also you'll have to generate the 6-digit passcode, which you'll use with the authenticator, copy and paste into the passcode field, and then you log into the CitySmarti portal. And once you do that, you'll be given your Citrix storefront, which will give you a list of applications like you see here. And then what you do is just click on the application you want. So in this case, I've just started up the 360 application by pressing on the actual 360 icon in the center. Then you log in with your 360 username and password, which we will confirm. Then press OK, and then you'll load 360 as normal. So thank you very much for watching video 1. So now I would like to ask you to proceed to video 2, where you need to select the video that corresponds to the browser that you have currently installed. And if your browser is not listed there, if you then contact your Imperial project manager, we can do a video based on the browser that you use. But I've tried to assemble the main browsers there, which most people use, which is Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Opera and Mozilla Firefox. So what I'll do now is log off. So I'll go to the top right hand corner where you see the cog icon, left click on it, left click on log off, and that logs me out of CitySmarti. So if you now proceed now to video 2. Thank you.